Hi, Vanessa here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to work raised stitches. So these are front post double crochets and back post double crochets. Okay, and they are worked the same for whatever stitch you're working on. Single crochet, half double crochet, double or treble. All right, let's get started then. Okay, so in this video, I am using Darn Good Yarns Super Bulky. This is the Catskill Fireworks. And I believe this is a 10mm crochet hook. So whatever's appropriate for your yarn. So normally, this is where you work your crochet stitches, okay? The post stitches are worked around the actual post of the stitch. So this one's taller because it's a double crochet. Again, it's the same process for single, half double, and treble crochet stitches. And I do have a full video tutorial for this basket weave stitch here that I'm working. I'll go ahead and link that in the corner. So first I'm going to show you how to work front post double crochet. Okay, normally you would work through the top loops for a normal crochet stitch. For a front post and back post, you work around the actual post of the stitch. That one's a little hard to see, but down here you can see that I worked 3 front post double crochet stitches around the actual post of the double crochets in this row. Okay, so I've started this row with a chain 2, and I'm going to spread this a little bit so that I can see the post. I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to insert my hook from the right to the left under the post of the next stitch. I'm skipping the first stitch here and the last stitch. So we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. So you're working your double crochet as normal. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. So it's just a matter of where to work your double crochet stitch. Okay, I'll demonstrate that again. Yarn over, around the next post. So the next post is right there. Always right to left. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so I have one more front post double crochet stitch to show you. Yarn over, around the post, okay, underneath, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. So just like it sounds, the front post is worked on the front of the work, around the post in the front of the work facing you, and then to work a back post stitch, you're going to work around the post but from the back. Okay, so yarn over, and then instead of inserting your hook around the post from the front here, you want to turn it slightly and go around the post from the back. Okay, yarn over, and then pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so you can tell right here that this one is worked in the front, that one's worked in the back. Okay, yarn over, here's the front, we're going to go around the post in the back. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and work your double crochet as normal. Okay, last one, yarn over. I'm going to work from behind and work my double crochet stitch. Okay, so that's it. That is how you work a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet. Again, it applies to singles, half double crochets, and treble crochets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button. See you in my next video.